Hello and welcome to 23126 Allendale Avenue, located in the town of Parker. I'm Jenny Gomez with the Elite Home Sales team at RE/MAX Professionals. If you're looking for a home which backs to open space with wide open views, plus a finished walkout basement with a full kitchen which can easily accommodate separate living quarters, then this is probably the perfect home for you. Nearly 4,900 square feet, main floor office, loft, 4 bathrooms, 5 bedrooms, which one of those is located on the main level. I know you're anxious to get started, so let's take a tour. Isn't this a great home? Oh my gosh, can you picture yourself sitting out on that back deck enjoying those open space views or any of the other 4 outdoor living areas, not to mention all the wonderful features and the spaciousness on the interior of the home. Plus, it's located within 1.5 miles of Black Bear Golf Club. If you'd like your own private tour of this home, give me a call. Jenny Gomez, 303-880-8270.